Ayan, the mufflers are on position. I have to do the H pipe later on, but at the meantime, um, I'll finish this one first and the hanger for tomorrow so we can test drive it. So Damon Horn mufflers. The mufflers are Flowmaster. So here's my rig. So hanger, this hanger, and then full welded for tomorrow, so it'll be good.